If you're a fan of quick actions and quick navigation, Remote Desktop Manager offers you a lot of possibilities when it comes to keyboard shortcuts or macros. To view the complete list of all the available keyboard shortcuts, head over to Files, under Settings, go in User Interface, and under Keyboard. You'll be able to view the default keyboard shortcuts that are integrated into RDM. If you'd like to search for a specific shortcut, you can use the search feature directly from the Name tab. So put your mouse under the Name tab here, and you'll find the search icon, click on it, and from there you'll be able to search for a specific name. You can also do the same for the mode if you're looking to search for all the keyboard shortcuts that are used when not in session. Just type it in, and that will list all of the keyboard shortcuts that are used when you're not in a session. You can also change the sorting priority if you want to sort by name, or you can also do it for the mode and for the shortcuts. If you're looking to change the mode of an existing keyboard shortcut, click on the mode here, and you can change it from there. It's the same thing for the shortcut. If you want to change the key combination of a specific keyboard shortcut, click on the field here, and you'll be able to select between different options here. If you want to disable all of the keyboard shortcuts, you can do it by clicking on the option here. And you can always use the Reset to Default button if you want to reset them all to default. Under the keyboard section, you'll find the shortcut macros section here. So basically, the shortcut macros allows you to create custom macros and pair them with shortcut key combinations. You can do that by selecting the Add button, so the plus icon here, and it will create the shortcut macros. And now you can select which keyboard shortcut you want to use. Let's use Ctrl-Shift-O. Now we want to select which macros we want to link it to. So let's link it to the username macros. You can select the mode between default when not in session, global hotkey, or none. Let's use the default. And you can select if you want to execute in previous window or in current tab. When you're done creating your shortcut macros, click on Save. If you want to delete an existing shortcut macro, you just have to select it here and click on Delete. Click on Yes. You can also find other options here you can disable. So we have Disable Minimize on Escape key pressed. We also have Disable Open with Enter key. And if we disable Open with Enter key, we can also filter the tree list only on Enter key pressed. If you'd like to know more about the possibilities of the keyboard shortcuts and macros, feel free to consult our documentation and knowledge base article. We also have interesting blog posts about the topic that will be linked down below.